Field. I believe you are in, you have leave, but I don't know you are here, still here. You are 40 over 9, very strong, Phil, over.
You are 59 plus 60 at the present time. 59 plus 60, my scale is on the top. My scale is on the top. Is same thing when he came Khaled Alpha 61 Bravo Kilo. Yes, now I'm leaving on Sunday. I'm leaving on Sunday evening. I will maybe make some traffic on Sunday. I will leave very early. I have to be at Dubai airport around 3 o'clock in the morning. And so I will leave for Pakistan and then we'll be back on the 30th, inshallah. So back to you, Hasham. Alpha 61 Alpha Bravo, Alpha 65 Bravo India.
Okay, Phil. Yesterday I have do their project with the wiring and 21 feet the choke. I've done is I'm working very well my vertical. I know I have done it already. So no problem. Enjoy your pileup. There's a lot of people calling yours in this time. We'll be back later on the frequency until you have a little pileup, not like this. A very big pileup you have, Phil. So thank you, Phil. I will come back to you again. A65 Bravo India, Alpha 61 Able Baker, over.
Okay, Hasham, Alpha 61 Alpha Baker, Alpha 65 Bravo India. Back, as I say to Khaled, sometimes, yes, because we are very near, sometimes we can make some, what we say, interference between each other. We can join our forces and make a pileup together, as I told him in that case. We can make a round pileup, and then we just, when the station is coming, so somebody takes the lead, and then, okay, well, we can distribute and so on. That could be interesting in that sense. Well, I was doing that with my friend George, 9 Quebec 1 Echo Kilo, when we went in Kinshasa, because our houses are nearby one and the other. Many times I come at the evening just to cross my square to go to this house and back. We have some the evening have some drink, and on the other side same thing. That was interesting. But when we are playing on the same band, it was sometimes very difficult. So one is playing CW and the other one is playing SSB with the filter, and sometimes you are playing the same SSB or CW, but we make a pilot, but both of us at the same time. So it's interesting to do it sometimes when we are very near, because I know the problem. I was in Paris a long time ago. It was the same thing as some amateur radio on the vicinity, and then when we are very near, it's quite difficult as well. I understand. So thanks a lot to come, Hasham. Very good signal. No problem. I think we can work with the dummy load. Alpha 61 Alpha Bravo, Alpha 65 Bravo India.
Yeah, good. No, I have changed my beam right now to Europe. I have changed my beam to Europe. So continue. I have a little bit. I have to send some emails. After that, I will come back. I will work with you by network together. We work together first. Okay, continue. I will come back to you.
Yeah, but I will stay only a few minutes because it's almost 20 to 8, so I will take my my dinner. I have to go because tomorrow morning as well I will go very early at the office. I'm leaving almost 6:30 in the morning, so that's I will just leave. Maybe we'll listen on a later stage if propagation is still over. We make some call, but on a later stage. So I will stay for a few minutes for some stations, and then I will move to the kitchen. Thanks a lot, Hasham, and see you very soon. Alpha 61 Alpha Bravo, Alpha 61 Bravo India.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.